Easy smoked salmon rice balls. To cook the rice, bring it to the boil in a saucepan with a cup of water. Cover and simmer until the water is absorbed. Set aside to steam for 5 minutes. While the rice is hot, place it in a bowl and add sushi seasoning and sugar. Stir until well combined, then leave it to cool. Stir in the smoked salmon and get ready to start rolling. It's best to wet your hands as you go to stop the rice from sticking. Roll about 2 tablespoons of the rice mixture into a ball. Place on a plate and keep rolling to make 12 rice balls. Now, get coating. Add a rice ball to the sesame seeds and roll to coat. Coat the remaining rice balls in dill, chia, or wrap them in choy sum leaves. Give these sushi style balls a go. They make an easy and delicious savoury snack. Serve them immediately or cover and store in the fridge for up to 6 hours. For more easy ideas, check out our What's New playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe